guys, Tina here with Tina's Inspired Art. Welcome to my channel once again. We're going to be working on this 16 by 20 inch canvas. And this is a canvas that I had painted on and have decided to paint over. So I just put a real thin layer of white paint on this design I had underneath. I was just doodling. So I'm going to use this canvas. It's a gallery wrapped 16 by 20 inch. And we're going to be doing a Botanical Dutch Pour today. So stay tuned, guys. We are going to have some fun today. I'm going to go through my color palette with you right now. So my color palette today is going to be working with an olive green, a real light gold, a champagne, an ultramarine blue, a blue-black, iridescent white, and a lime green. Different color palette. Not sure what this is going to look like, but we'll hope for the best. So we are going to begin by pouring my base layer of my house interior white satin paint on the base, and then we'll begin with our design. So stay tuned, guys. Going to outline it with this olive green. Really love this olive green. It's got a metallic sheen to it. Brought in that purple. It gave it a whole lot more dimension, and yeah, I think that was a true great decision to do, because I wasn't feeling it before, but so far I like those colors right now. So I'm gonna add some stems, just some little bitty stems coming down on this real quick, see what it'll look like. Catching those few drips. We'll see. Before I do that botanical technique to it and make it more leafy looking, I'm just going to do this piece to it real quick. See if this will help. Actually, I think maybe what I'll do is I'll drag the stem all the way through. Make like there's the stem going like that. Makes it look like a feather. Let's try this one. So that's what it looks like so far. I think it's looking pretty good. There's lots of pretty cells happening in here. Really beautiful. I think I like it just like this. Look, I'm really excited about it. It looks really pretty. I really like that design. You could look at it and say, oh, it looks and reminds me of some feathers, but then I look at it and said, yeah, it definitely looks very botanical looking too. So I really like that combination of how you can let your mind take over on what you want to see. I like that aspect of it. Really pretty, because I really like the simplicity of it and how it's really just created its own look about it. So I'm going to bring you down for a close-up, okay? All right, here we are, guys. She's really beautiful. Look at her design and her colors. She's stunning. I really am so happy with this pour. I love her design. I think for sure I'm going to be doing more like this. I've done some of these in the past and I really need to circle back around and do more with different colors because I always love these. Super pretty. I am so glad that I did add that purple in here because it really just added to it, gave it some more dimension. It's not as dark as I thought it was going to be. Oh wow, just look at it. I really like the design. I may leave it like this and I may add something to it. I'm not sure. We'll wait to see how it dries and we'll go from there, but just like this, I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Feel free to check me out on my Facebook and Instagram at Tina's Inspired Art, as well as my website at www.tinasinspiredart.com. Have a beautiful day, guys. Love y'all. Bye for now.